There we go. It's 8:36. So that means we 6 6 minutes past what dropped. So what I need y'all to do right now, y'all listening? Y'all hear me? Can y'all hear me? I need y'all to go on my YouTube channel. It's Deshaun Ellis. DASHONELLIS. Deshaun Ellis. Today I am dropping the lyric video to On Set. So make sure y'all go check it out. I just wanted to hop on here and let y'all know, what's going on and why I wrote the song. Just because I'm not going to argue with you don't mean I'm not going to turn something into something more creative. So make sure you go to my YouTube channel right now. Right now. I will share the link. It's on YouTube. First of all, don't ever eat these. Please. Like, seriously, don't ever. These, disgusting. But I wanted to show you guys what I got in my Ipsy bag. So, they're cute. I love this bag. Like, thank you. Thank you, Ipsy. I really, I just feel like I had these colors for my birthday with the gold and it. I'm not trying to be like a promoter or nothing, but Ipsy is where it's at. Ipsy is really where it's at. So, I love eyeliner. So we got this Wander Highline. I don't know. Something by Wander. I guess we wander, but this is the eyeliner. It's really good. I like that like shiny point. I just got this the other day, so I'm gonna try this on again. I talked to my friend the other day and she's like, that does not look cute on you. And I'm like, it does. It gives me a little lip tint. I mean, it's not the best, but it's cute if I had my whole face done. So yeah, I'm not a big person on like space makeup, but they have some great, I will say, like highlighters. I've been getting a lot of stuff from, I guess, this company from Ipsy, and I like their, dimensions now. I like that they have the little bronze here, and ooh, check out the nails, honey. But like it honestly, ooh, it kind of matches my nails in a sense. Not really, but whatever. So this is why I love Ipsy, because they really come through. I have this and this, and I know it doesn't seem like a lot, but after a long week of working and dealing with life, that it really takes a toll on your face and your emotions, and yeah. So, I decided not to say anything during this time on this segment, just because I wanted you guys to watch how, it cleanses your skin. You can kind of actually hear it in the background as I'm scraping the heck out of my face. But no, it actually it's like a soapy formula. I expected it to be, a face mask, but it wasn't. It was more like a scrub in a sense. But it really it gets all sudsy or whatever the word is, and it really does clean your skin out. So, and then it comes with that little sponge type thing that really helps a lot. So, also this is like a hydro gel. You can see I'm opening it. That was so hard to take off with nails. So boom, we're gonna fast forward to me just putting it on. And this, I love this gel. I don't know if it's a gel, whatever. I'm gonna have to go look, or you guys can order from Ipsy. But it really hydrates your skin and makes it look so all glowy and dewy and beautiful. So yeah. Yeah, I'm going in slow motion. I'm sorry. If you made it to this part of the video, thanks for watching. As you can see, I'm just admiring my skin that is glowing with the products used in my Ipsy bag. So if you like to get products like these, make sure you go check Ipsy out and get your bag every month, honey. Also, you know, I love my hair that was done by my friend Tage. A link to her Facebook will be in the description below, so make sure you go check her out. Also, you know, I did want to thank you guys for watching my onset video. To me, it's not about the likes or the views. It's about the impact to me. So thank you and keep watching. I will have more content coming soon. So, you know, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. And I do hope you guys have a great self-love Sunday. Bye.
I'm on set, striking poses to block out the disrespect. I'm on a mission, so you better come correct. Catch my wave, cause I hit below the deck. I know Jesus loves me, cause I'm always blessed.